Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Tuesday, which means I'm back with another weekly stamping collab, and this one was hosted by Patty's Polish Corner. These are the manicures that we've prepared, and you can find links to everybody's video in the description box below. Let's get started. I'm in Florida and the weather here varies so much, it's kind of hard to pinpoint exactly what the weather is, so I decided to just go with the weather today, which was rainy and cloudy and it was really cold. So I chose this beautiful Barielle polish called Sky's the Limit. I applied it as the base of my manicure. This polish is so pigmented, I only applied one coat of polish and my nails were completely covered. I chose my H la Cosedora stamping plate called Eskimo Kisses for my design. And the blue polish I'm stamping with is also from H la Cosedora and it's called Ba Dee. I apply the polish onto the plate, scrape off the excess with my card, and use the stamper to pick up the image and stamp it directly onto my nail. Since my nails are so short, I was able to use one image for two nails. I continued to stamp on all the nails until I was satisfied with the design. Then I used a piece of tape to remove the excess polish. This makes cleanup so much easier. I seal in the stamping with my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. To add more shine, I apply my Barielle Everlast top coat with vitamin E. The manicure looks really pretty with a shiny finish, but my favorite is a matte top coat, so I went ahead and applied it off camera and I love the way it turned out. Hope you guys enjoyed it too. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! If you enjoy my content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel by pressing the subscribe button. It's free. And if you enjoyed this video, leave me a thumbs up to let me know. That really helps out my channel. Thank you for all the support you've given me.